have to add parameters here which will replace the previous value. For that, cmd dot parameters dot add open brackets attribute name, which is name, give the source, copy it and paste it twice for the other two variables, parameters, 2 times, give it name and give it the source textbooks 3. Third one is age and textbooks number 4. Execute your query now, which is written in cmd dot execute on query. Now run your program. Give the ID number. We have to update the record. Name changes the name from Salman to Faisal and father name to Khan. Age to 22. Now update the record. You can see that the record is updated. Age is given as 22. I had replaces the name from Salman to Faisal and father name from Salman to Khan. You can add several records and update them, show them in your data grid view. Thanks guys for watching your video. If you like it, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.